It's surprising, but Samsung hasn't changed the camera sensor since the Z Fold 4. The latest Z Fold 6 actually has a smaller battery than the Fold 2. Plus, it still uses the same charging numbers as the original Fold from 6 years ago. So, will the upcoming Z Fold 7 just be another small update? Or will we finally see something new and exciting? Back in 2021, when Samsung foldables used to look tall, the Chinese foldables were already going wider, which made their cover screens way more useful. Design-wise, Samsung Folds haven't changed all that much over the years. Screen sizes have stayed about the same, but they have slowly started making them wider. Now, the Z Fold 7 isn't just getting taller and wider, it's also fixing a big problem with the Fold 6, which was one of the thickest foldables around. If the rumors are true, the Z Fold 7 will be the thinnest foldable Samsung's ever made, even thinner than that special edition Fold. It'll be the first Fold with a main screen bigger than 7.6 inches and a cover screen bigger than 6.3 inches that you can actually buy. The screen is supposed to have less of a crease, and it'll have some of the cool features from the S25 Ultra. This means Z Fold 7 will use the M13 panel, but the display itself is going to be highly efficient and will feature the Pro Scaler tech. Samsung's been going for flat sides lately, and the Z Fold 7 is expected to have a similar flat design and camera setup as the Fold 6. Moving on, Samsung is finally making a major upgrade in the camera department, which is something we've been waiting for. Samsung hasn't changed the front selfie shooters ever since they shifted toward the under-display cameras. This year, rumors say the Z Fold 7 will have better selfie cameras than ever before. Strangely, Samsung hasn't increased the RAM since the original Fold. But honestly, they never felt slow. The RAM might remain the same, but thankfully the Z Fold 7 will use a faster, overclocked version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. And just like the S25 Ultra, the Fold 7 is supposed to have a bigger cooling system to keep things running smoothly. So with all these changes, does that finally mean we're getting a bigger battery and faster charging too? That's one area that's never been upgraded, not even on that fancy special edition Fold. Even though the Z Fold 6 had one of the smallest batteries of any foldable in 2024, the Z Fold 7 is expected to have the same 4,400 mAh battery, and the charging speeds will probably be the same too. But thanks to the advanced display, Snapdragon 8 Elite, and One UI better optimization, the battery life might get about a 55-minute boost. Now let's talk about a downgrade and a final expensive upgrade. Samsung recently took away the Bluetooth from the S Pen on the S25 Ultra, saying most people didn't even use it. The Z Fold 7 might be the first Fold since the Z Fold 3 that doesn't have a S Pen supported display, but unlike the S25 Ultra, where you can't even buy a Bluetooth S Pen, the Z Fold 7 will support a fancy stylus, kind of like the Apple Pencil, where all the tech is inside the pen. Okay, it looks like Samsung is finally worried about the competition and giving us the Fold we should have gotten with the Fold 5, or at least the Fold 6. But I think that is all possible because Samsung tested things out with the Z Fold Special Edition. And Samsung is testing the waters again this year with their first tri-fold. Watch all the details right here. This is Techtics, and I will see you there.